This is by far my favorite pop-up to date. It's my first time partnering up with lots of local, and I love how they're all chill and easy to talk to. Let's just say the vibe was vibing. As usual, as you would expect from Justine Basco Ceramics, we have a Palenque-inspired setup, and I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun meeting some of you guys, and thank you as always for supporting my art. My heart is full, and I always enjoy events like this because it's a way for me to connect to everyone.
Okay.
Madumi siya.
Eggplant, okay. Okay.
I prepared some breakfast for my friends who are my assistants for the day. So yesterday I also made them the same, except I'm spoiling them with some of my energy balls. So these are like dates, carrots, some of those healthy stuff. I have here some spinach chicken wrap. It also has some chickpeas and red bell peppers. I love this so much, and I just want to share them, my usual breakfast, so we also have all the nutrients that we need. I'm excited to give them their baon. I think I just unlocked a new love language for me. Food. Hello, it's a beautiful afternoon today, and I'm just starting my day. I always start my day around 2 or 3 p.m. here in the Philippines, and I have a big summer brand partnership. Today is the only time that I got some energy to vlog or do anything, because yesterday was my first day of period and I was really having a hard time, but I have a very tight deadline and I have a lot to do. My lots of local just finished 2 days ago and I need to hustle up. We have a big partnership from the Josa herself, and when I said Josa, we're talking about Ann Curtis. So we have a big project with BLK Cosmetics. It's still a secret right now, but I'm pretty sure that by the time I finish editing this video, it's already out because I have so many backlogs. They messaged me just like a few weeks ago, and then they asked me if I can make a custom collaborative ceramic piece where they can put their makeup for their summer campaign for their influencers. I'm very much excited for this. We've curated an entire design, and I just love how much they respect my art. I think that's just very important because every time I collaborate with people, I have to make sure that they understand my design style, which is, first of all, everything is unique. Like, I can give you approximate sizes, but all in all, each piece will be unique, and they respect that, they appreciate that, and that means a lot to me. And second, they trust me. They trust that I'm the expert in this craft, and I'm just gonna give them the best quality as much as I can. So I am very much excited and nervous. This is a lot of pressure. I am excited for everyone to see what it's gonna look like. I heard that this is the project that they have Bretman Rock and Ann Curtis with them together. And I'm a big fan of Bretman Rock. I mean, who isn't? I just hope he gets one. That's all, like, I swear. Anyways, mukha lang akong chill, but I honestly have a lot to do today. Every problem right now is a good problem. Today, I have 10 pieces to create for the BLK project. And that's gonna be like consistent for my entire week. It's Tuesday, by the way. It's March 10, and I only have the entire week to sculpt everything, and we're talking about like 35 pieces. I have no idea how I'm gonna do that with my hands, but I know I have to take care of my hands. Wish me luck. This is our prototype. This is still gonna shrink pa in the process. There's a lot of details added into it. There's also some texture. So I think the most challenging part about this is the height, because I'm used to shorter mugs. My mugs are like this short, and I gotta raise it up a bit, which is challenging with my time frame. So expectedly, it has to look a little something like this. I made this before, and it so happened that it's quite similar to what we have in mind. So this is the idea, and then some charms will flow there. Don't mind my hair, I just took a bath, but I just want to update you. I've been working on my BLK project, and I have a really tight deadline. I have to sculpt everything in a week, and I'm aiming for 40 pieces. So far, we've done 10 out of 40. It's Thursday already. I have to finish this probably by Sunday to make room for drying. I'm gonna ask my friend Ali to help me out because hindi ko na talaga kaya. But we're gonna make this work, and we only have one shot. So we have to make sure that the kiln, all the glazing goes well. Anyways, I'm going out to do some little more glazing with my other orders, and then I'm gonna go back right away to continue my pottery. Hopefully today I'll finish 10, realistically 5. They're finally here. Oh my god, I am so happy with how they turned out. It's an all-white body, which is the natural color of the clay, but there's like a subtle texture in each piece, and then there's also like a subtle pink hue. There will be like a rope put in all the holes, and then BLK will be. These are some of my favorite custom orders lately. So most of them are from regular customers since they already know my art style. A full-blown trinket dish, and it's very specific. Ideally, her necklaces will be placed here. Rings. She actually did not ask for this, but I initiated to put one for her rings. And then there's like 4 bangles, 4 bracelets, all that. And then she asked to add her initials engraved. So I love it. This one is also very special as an island girly. Another repeat customer, she wanted like a shell, conch shell inspired piece. And I was really thinking hard how I can apply my art in this shape. But the clay has spoken and they wanted to be a conch shell. I'm excited for her to get this and make matcha in it.
Like that. Yeah.
Ah.
WDT to break that clumps. Thumb. 1 or 2 is fine. Now you use OCD. You clean. Now don't forget the thumb.
Kasi nilagay ko to.
Nag-move rin siya, so lumilipis.
Okay.
Gets gentler. Mas may control na.
Habang ginaganon mo, gumagentle yung...
Gumagentle siya. Ganun. Okay, settle. Tapos, i-target sa gitna, pwede. Gitna. Tapos, habang gitna, kahit na hindi ka na bumalaw hindi mo na siya i-push. Kahit hindi mo na siya i-push yung spread. Sa una lang talaga, gagawin ka lang.
Mix mo lang siya. Pwede rin ganon if you want. Yung ganon. But for creating latte art, pour mo sa gitna. Pwede rin madali ko, pero medyo naghiwalay na yung foam kasi medyo matagal.
Sige na. It's 6:01 and I can't sleep. I usually sleep around 8 a.m. so it's hard for me to sleep. I've been lying down for 2 hours, so I just decided to get up, get ready, and enjoy the view. I am here at the Hamptons in Laguna. I just love the sound of the rooster in the morning. It is an honor to wake up to this. Anyways, everything is so serene right now. Everything is at peace in this moment. I'm here because I'm supporting my friend Alfred from AMT Ceramics. He's the owner and he has a vision to spread awareness on pottery and let people understand the art and just experience it firsthand. So there's a big glamping event here right now and I'm here to help him. I'm gonna be assisting him. I'm just gonna show you the view for now. Program starts at 10 a.m. Banayag Festival. This is our, what do we call this? Walkie-talkie.
Walkie-talkie. Radio.
Ang daming energy. Tuko. Gano'n ba yung tuko? Tuko. Paano yung butike? Uy! Hindi ko alam kung paano yung butiki eh. Pero pwede namang ganun. Hello. May pagkain na po ba? Ano yung sa... ano yung sa ano? CP1,
Tulong
CP1.
tayo sa...
Isang chicken joy po.
C1.
C1? C1? Burger steak? Parang hindi gumagana. Walang nagre-reply.
Baka tulog yung mind. Or baka patay din yung...
Baka nairita na sila. Yeah. You did it!